Exercise 5F. Now in this exercise you have to do subtraction of various fractions. Now if you see question number 1, 2 and 3, all three questions, if you see in all three questions the denominators are same. So you simply have to subtract the numerator and get your answer. 12 will remain here, 12. Denominators remain the same. So 12 will be written in the denominator and 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. The 2 upon 12 will be your answer, which can be cancelled and written as 1 upon 6. Same way you will do question number 3. Question number 3, what it is? 4 3 upon 7 minus 2 4 upon 7. Sometimes what happens, students see that it is mixed fraction and just to avoid calculations they leave the questions. So you please do not do this mistake. You have to change them into improper fraction. 7 into 4 is how much? 28, and 28 plus 3 is 31 upon 7. Okay, 7 2s are 14 and 14 plus 4 is how much? 18. Now improper fractions they are and denominator is same. So I'll write 7 here. If the common, okay, if the denominators are same, we write them once. 31 minus 18. If you cannot do it here, go to your rough column and multiply simply. No problem, you have to be quick in your calculation. Okay, now 13 upon 7, it cannot be cancelled but it can be changed into mixed fraction. So let's change it into mixed fraction. This is your answer. I know directly, but you will do what? 7 1 are 7, okay, and we know 3, it will go what? 6. So 1 6 upon 7. Now if you see question number 6, the denominator and numerator both are different. So we have to make them, we have to change them into like fractions or fractions with same denominator. So what we will do, we will take out the LCM of 8 and 12. We know both of them, they go in table 4. So let's quickly divide by 4. It goes to how many times? 2 times, and this goes 3 times. Now I'll take number 2. This will become 1. This will remain the same. Now I'll take number 3 and I'll divide the remaining part. So what's our LCM? It is 4 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6 and 6 4s is how much? 24. So 24 is our LCM. Let's write 24 here and see how many times will it go in 8's table. It will go how many times here? 3 times. So same value multiplied on the top. 5 3s are 15. It goes 2 times. 24 goes 2 times here. So 2 will be multiplied here and the answer will be 14. And the answer here, the final answer is what? 1 upon 24. Exercise 5F, question number 8. Here the fractions are mixed fractions, so we will change them into improper fractions. Okay, so 8 3s are, we know it is 24. 24 plus 5 is equals to 29 upon 8. We'll put minus sign. 12 into 2 is how much? 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 upon 12. Okay, now we have changed them into improper. Now we'll do what? Next step is to find out the LCM. I'll take 4, it goes 2 times and it goes 3 times. Then I'll take number 2, it goes 1 time, 3 doesn't go. I'll take 3 in order to cancel this one. So 1 and 1. Now the LCM is what? 4 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. We'll put equals to sign 24 and let's see how many times this 24 goes in this table 8. It goes 3 times and similarly multiplied on the top. And if we know 29 into 3, you can do it in the rough column. Okay, 87. So I'll write here 87. What is coming in between? Minus sign. I'll put a minus sign. 12 into 2 is what? 24. So 24 goes how many times in 12's table? 2 times. So same number will be multiplied on the top, because the rule is what? Whatever you are multiplying below will be multiplied on the top also. So 29 into 2 will give you what? 58. You can do it here in the rough column. 29 into 2, 80. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 58. So I'll write 58 here. Now we have to subtract these both and 24 will come in the denominator. Okay, let me subtract 87 minus 58. Okay, 29 is the answer. We'll change it into mixed fraction and the answer will be 1. Okay, and 5 upon 24. So this is the answer of question number 8. 7 is not a fraction. We'll make it a fraction by putting upon 1, by making it upon 1. Okay, now what is there? Now we have to change it into improper fraction. So 7 upon 1 will remain 7 upon 1 minus 5 3 is a 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17 upon 3. Okay, here no need to take out the LCM because the LCM will be 3. When one of the digit is 1 and other digit is any other number, then the LCM is that other number. Okay, even if I show you here, we just have to divide this 3. 3 will go how many times? 1 time. So LCM is what? It's 3 only. So I'll write here what? 3. Now let's see how many times will it go in this. It goes 3 times. So 3. 7 into 3 is what? 21. Minus, we know 3 goes how many times in 3's table? 1. 17 into 1 is 17. And 21 minus 17, we know it is 4. And the answer in a mixed fraction is 1 upon 3. Let's do this one. Again, this is a number, this is a fraction. So we'll make both of them same. We'll make it a fraction. So now the number is 10 upon 1. Okay, we have to change this into an improper fraction. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 3 will be how much? 51 upon 8. Okay, I told you the LCM will be what? Here LCM was 3, here LCM will be 8. Let me show you once. 1 and 8. We'll take out the LCM of these two digits. 8, 1 will go 1 time and 8 will go how many times? 1 time. So LCM is what? 8. Now we'll write in the denominator 8 and we will see how many times will it go in this ones table. It will go 8 times and same will be multiplied on the top. 8 tens are 80. 8 will go how many times in 8's table? 1 time. So into 1 and 51 into 1 is what? 51. In order to subtract, go to your rough column and subtract. Answer is what? 29 upon 8. Okay, let's change it into mixed fraction. We know 8 threes is how much? 24. So this is your answer. Question number 13, simplification. In these questions you will find addition also and subtraction also. So let's do it. First let's take out the LCM and whatever will be the sign we will do accordingly. First let's take out, these are simple fractions, so let's quickly take out the LCM. 6, 9 and 3. I'll take 3's table, it will go 2 times, it will go 3 times and it will go 1 time. Then 2's table, 1, 3 will be copied as it is and 3, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM is 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are LCM is 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Okay, let's write 18 here and let's see how many times will 18 go in all these tables. It will go 3 times here. Okay, 6 3s is 18, so 3 will be multiplied here. 5 3s are 15. It will go 2 times. 18 will go how many times? 2 times here. So same will be multiplied on the top and 4 2s are 8. Which sign will come? Minus sign. 4 2s are 8. Okay, now it will go how many times? 6 times here. Sorry, 6 times here and 6 2s are 12. It has one plus sign. Okay, now if you see 15 minus 8, if you do, we'll get what? 7. And 7 plus, then what we have to do? 12. So let's do it sequence wise. They are saying 15 minus 8. First let's subtract this. We know 15 minus 8 is how much? 7. So first we are solving this part. 7 will be left on subtraction, and then what is coming, what is left, 7 plus 12. Okay, now let's do addition. 7 plus 12 will be how much? And 18 will come down, and mixed fraction answer will be 1 upon 18. Okay, this is how we do. We have done what? We have first calculated these two, because on subtraction we were getting what? 7, and then we have to add what? 12. So it was very easy. Go sequence wise. There are few little more things which I will be explaining you further in this video. Question number 15. This is not a fraction, it's a number, so we will change it into a fraction. Let's take out the LCM of 1, 15 and 9. No need to write 1, but as you are the beginners, I am writing for you all, because 1 doesn't make any difference. So I will take which number? 3 number. It will go 1 time. This will go how many times? 5 times, and this will go 3 times. Again I will take 3 stable. 5 doesn't go in 3 stable, so it will remain the same, and 3 will become 1. Then I will take 5 stable. Okay, now let's take out the LCM. 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are, it's 9, and 9 5s are, it's 45. So 45 is our LCM. So let's write 45 here, putting equals to sign. This equals to sign is very important. 45 will go how many times in one table? 45 times. If you read the table of 1, 45 will come at what number? At 45. So, and 45 will be multiplied on the top, and the answer will be what? 90. If you do not know this multiplication table, if you do not know, go to your rough column and multiply and just check it out. Okay, now 15 may 45, how many times does it go? 3 times. 3 will be multiplied on the top. 90 के बाद what is coming in between? Plus sign. So we'll put plus sign. And 3 into 11 will give us what? 33. How many times will 45 go in this 9's table? Which sign will come? Minus. And 25. So these are your numerators. First they are asking us to add these both. So let's add these both first. 90 plus 33. 123. So in the next line what you will do? You will write the solution of this part. And then you will show that you have to subtract what? 25 upon 25 upon 45. 123 minus 25. Let's do the last part. Okay, this will become 11, and this will become 13. 13 minus 5 will give you how much? 8. And 11 minus 2 will give you how much? 9. So 98 upon 45. Let's change it into mixed fraction. Okay, 98 45, it will go 2 times. So the fraction will be 2, 8 upon 45. Question number 17. This is not a fraction, we will change it into a fraction. Let's change them into improper fractions. 2 upon 1 will remain 2 upon 1. Plus will come in between. Then 10 into 5 is 50. 50 plus 7 will be 57 upon 10. 15 3s is how much? 45. And 45 plus 14 will give you what? 59 upon 15. Let's take out the LCM. 1, and it will go how many times? Now till now you must be knowing how to take out the LCM. You should know. Let's take out the LCM. We know 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s is 30. Okay, so let's write 30 here, and let's see how many times will each denominator, will this number go in each denominator. This will go 30 times here. Plus sign. Let's see 30 will go how many times in 10's table? 3 times. Now 57 into 3, you can go in your rough column and multiply. And this, it will go how many times? 2 times. So 59 into 2. 18. Okay, let's first add these two numbers and then we will subtract. So 60 plus 171, 231 minus 118 upon 30. I do not have enough space, but you must be having in your copy. It's a small copy, so just excuse me for this reason. 231 minus 118. Okay, subtract and see what the answer will come. On subtraction, you'll get 113. 113 upon 30 will be written as how many times? Let's change it into mixed fraction. I do not have enough space, sorry for this. 90 times will it go? It will go, sorry. The answer will be 323 upon 30. So this is your answer of question number 17. Question number 19. Here I have changed them into improper fractions. 12, I was changing this one. 12 into 24. Okay, 24 plus 7 will give us what? 31. So 12. Let's take out the LCM here. 6, 8 and 12. 6 table I'll take. It will go one time. It will remain the same, and this will go 2 times. 2 will go. So the LCM is 6 into 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8 and 8 6 are 48. Okay. Let's write 48 here and let's see how many times will it go here. 48 will go how many times? 6 times. So into 6. Okay. If we go here 53 into 6. It will go 8 times here and it will be multiplied here. So the answer will be 424. Minus sign will come. Let's see how many times will it go here. It will go 6 times. Okay. Into 6. 27 into 6. 162. And let's add. It will go how many times? 4 times. 48 will go here 4 times and 4 will be multiplied here. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So first let's subtract these two and then we will add the answer. Let's go to the rough column. 424 minus 162. Okay. 2 you will get here. This will become 3 and 6. 262 plus 124. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And 2. Okay. Cancel it by 2's table. 24. And change this into mixed fraction. (193) divided by 24. It will go 8 times. So the answer is 8 1 upon 24. Question number 21. This is not a fraction. We'll make it a fraction. Okay. Now this is not a improper fraction. Let's change it into improper fraction. 3 upon 1 will remain 3 upon 1. Okay. 5 1s are 5 plus 1. Plus 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 15. Let's take all the denominators and take out the LCM. So the LCM is 5 into 3, that is 15. Okay. Let's see how many times 15 will go in every denominator. It will go 15 times here. The 15 will be multiplied here. Okay. Whatever is multiplied down will be multiplied on the top. So here it will be 145. Okay. Plus sign will come. This 15 will go 3 times here. So 3 will be multiplied here. 6 3s are 18. Again plus sign. This will go how many times? 5 times. So 5 into 2, 10. Now minus sign. 7. Okay. Now let's add first all these three numbers and then we will subtract. So let's go to the rough column. 45 plus 18 plus 10. Okay. 4 5 6 7. So 73 minus 7 upon 15. Let's subtract 7 here. Okay. If you know directly, do it. If you do not know, please do not do directly if you are not sure with the calculations. Okay, so 7, it will come what? 6. So 66 upon 15. It can be cancelled by 3 stable 5, and the answer in mixed fraction will be what? So this is how you will do the remaining questions. Okay, I have discussed maximum questions. I'm sure you should not have any doubt in any other sums now.